Hey, so the other day, the other part of my birthday stuff I had to return because I got something I already had, so we went and got some returns. And while we were there, I ended up getting, as you can see here, all the original Power Rangers, the original five, plus the White and Green Ranger, and then also Rocket Raccoon. Is right there, Rocket Raccoon pop figurines. I also got finally the last Linkin Park album that will ever have Chester's voice on it. I don't know if they'll continue. They might not. I don't know. It's still. It affected me more than I thought a celebrity death would, is what I keep saying about it. I also got something in the mail. I'm not quite sure what it is yet, so I am opening that, and I was going to see what exactly it was. Oh, that's what it is. I'm a fan of this band called PVRIS, and they were on a Rock Sound cover, and they had a special limited edition package through there. All We Know of Heaven, All We Need of Hell, is that what it is? Yeah. All We Know of Heaven, All We Need of Hell is the name of their new album coming out here soon. And so I got the package. Comes with a sticker and stuff, and a special version of the Rock Sound magazine. What's this? Is this just the shipping tag? No, that's just the rest of the shipping tag stuff. So yeah, it's got big posters in it. Wait, who's those guys? Oh. But yeah, so I figured I'd open that because I wasn't quite sure what it was. Now I know what it is. I remember ordering this. It was the last day that it was available when I found out, and I was like, I could get that. I think it's kind of cool. So yeah, I fully subscribe to alternative press, but I also do like Rock Sound and Substream and a few others like that. But when I saw that they had that, I figured I would get that because I like the band and it just seemed like a neat little package. So that was that. I didn't even know what that was until I opened that. I was like, hey, what would I have gotten from the UK? But now it all makes sense. I have to work tomorrow. I'm hoping that it goes better than the last couple days. I'm still pretty sleepy. I'm still kind of sore. But hopefully I can just get back into the swing of things again. I made it through a full day the other day. It wasn't easy, but I made it through the whole day. I'm hoping tonight I can get some sleep and get an actual restful sleep instead of just, waking up 5 times like I have the last few nights. But that's all I have for now. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, night, afternoon, morning, whatever it is where you are. Hope to see you again real soon. Take care.